30
Is he saying he's been in this shop for like 34 years? I mean, that's older than me. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. VHS Vin here, bringing you a brand new reaction video. Today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to look at Japanese blades and understanding how they were made, why they're made, and a little bit of the history behind it. I have no idea what I'm about to watch, other than this is a traditional Japanese blade being made by a master smith. I've never seen this process before, so we're discovering this together. And again, if you enjoy this video, guys, don't forget to like the video and leave a comment down below about what you think of Japanese master smiths. Well, without rambling on too much, let's jump right into the video. Okay, so this particular Japanese blacksmith, they've been forging blades since 1888, which is a long time ago. That's like 140 years ago. It's been apparently passed down generation to generation.
始めたのが1888年、明治27年の頃に鍛冶屋を始めたらしい。鍛冶屋としては4代。
分業というのはそもそもね、
This guy's the fourth generation master smith.
というのはそもそもね、鍛冶屋さんとそれを刃をつける刃付け屋さんとコンダクターみたい
Okay, hold on. There's a lot of information. So we've got the blacksmith, sharpener, and the wholesaler.
な問屋とそれぞれの専門分野で切磋琢磨しようじゃないかと。
最後上がった時に自分で上げた包丁を見た時の達成感やったりとかっていうのを見るとやっぱり頑張るぞってなりますね。
So it looks like they even sign their signature on these blades. Really interesting handles. Look at these designs. Okay, so this already seems very intense. Like they put a ton of effort behind these blades and their designs.
会社のですね、代表取締役をしております山脇義信と申します。うちの会社はだいたいあと2年ぐらいで100年になりますかね。
So this particular knife workshop is about 100 years old, but I'm guessing they've made these blades since 1888 is what the description says, and it's what the title of the video is. Yeah, so 1888.
鍛冶屋さんとそれを刃をつける刃付け屋さんと、それとあと一部を担うコンダクターみたいな問屋と、この3軒の分業なんですね。で今この工程図見ていただいたら分かりますように、ここからここまでが鍛冶屋さんの仕事。それぞれの分業しておるのは一人で。
Oh, that's so cool. Wow, okay. So you see the actual metal going through the evolution of becoming a blade from a piece of metal all the way down to the finished product, which is super cool to have. I mean, this display.
それより技術が進化するということです。
It's amazing. Is this the workshop? Oh, wow. I mean, look at all of this stuff here. How do you even keep track of all of this? And there's very minimal labeling. I mean, if I was in here, I wouldn't know what's going on.
始めたのが1888年っていうのから、明治27年の頃に鍛冶屋を始めたらしい。でその以前もなんかやってたみたいけども、それは記録が残ってない。だから鍛冶屋としては4代。
Fourth generation.
ひいじいさんはもうだけ
the
で。
video.
で、じいさんの頃から刀もやり始めて、じいさんと父とわしは刀の免許を持ってる。よその産地は鍛冶屋が全部するよ。鍛冶やって研ぎやって絵つけて完成で鍛冶屋。堺は鍛冶屋
In
だ。
other parts of Japan, in other places of Japan, the blacksmiths do
全部する
everything.
よ。鍛冶やって研ぎやって絵つけて完成で鍛冶
Forging,
屋。
sharpening to attach
堺
the
は鍛
handle.
冶屋はこの状態までしか作れへんから。
Oh, I see. Okay.
これで完成ないから。
So he's only forging the blade
これで
to
完成
this
ないから。
point.
I
mean, that doesn't even look
完全分
sharpened.
業にした方が
Just
質
looks
の
like
え
they
え
have
方が
the
最高
shape.
にできたら。
So already it seems super calm in this workshop or like smith shop. I'm not sure what it's called, but it seems super calm, very quiet, very peaceful. So far we've only seen one smith here. when that sound is so satisfying. The sound is so satisfying. I mean, look how hot those things get.
高校出てすぐやから34年ぐらいでもまだまだやなって言われるからね。
34 years? Is he saying he's been in this shop for like 34 years, the same place? I mean, that's older than me. That's crazy. Since high school. So he's going to be doing this for the rest of his life. I mean, this is... I know blacksmithing is something that's very like traditional, like it's handed down generation to generation, but sometimes you forget, like, people do this not only because it's something they know really well, but because it's tradition and it's something it's like it runs in the family, so you want to keep up with it, you know, and you want to pass it down to the next generation and so on and so forth. So that's mind-blowing.
火事場っていうのは神道神社の方でいうとこの神域な神職神主とかと同じここの中で作業してる限りは。
Wow. Almost has like a spiritual meaning behind it.
黒い皮
Holy
を
place. They take it very
落とすんや
serious.
けどね。
And yeah, they're putting good energy into their craftsmanship. I'm wondering. Okay, there's someone else back there. I was just gonna ask if he's the only one there. So he's outlining this. I'm guessing he's outlining like the finished product from their shop, or he's outlining he used a template to outline another piece of metal he's forging.
かな。うっすら線があるでしょ。これに合わせて切ると。
Yeah, he's gonna cut it. How precise this is. Wow. It's crazy too, you don't see any like super fancy or advanced technology here.
今やるの腹叩き言って一番表面をきれいにする最初。
Oh wow, yeah. Okay, I see it now. I mean, I see the blade. Oh. A lot of sparks.
I
mean, to me, that looks like a finished blade, except it's just not sharpened. I mean, how much more can you do to a blade? That's crazy. He's only one of 3 steps? Big steps?
すいません、どうもありがとうございます。ありがとうございました。どうもよろしくお願いします。失礼します。
今の問屋さんの山木さん。うちの工程はここまで。
Okay, so he's gonna work on it next. So now we're going to another shop. Oh yeah, you can tell the... Yeah, okay. Oh, looks like there's a lot less heat in this place.
Now,
やっぱ地上がってきた時にちょっと曲がってるんで、それをある程度まっすぐにして。
So hold on, it's how okay, so these blades are like a little different in color than what we saw the handoff was. So I'm wondering why that is. Unless that guy, this is from
やっぱ地上がってきた時にちょっと曲がってるんで、それをある程度まっすぐにしてから手に入れ削ってください。
Yeah, let me know in the comments down below why this is a different color. I'm not too sure what happened there, but it looks like there's some sort of coating on it now.
すみません。まず最初に鍛冶屋さんから、包丁の G という状態で持ってこられて、で包丁本体を
I don't want to pretend I understand this completely, but I can definitely tell this is something really serious, and it's definitely meaningful. What I've gotten so far is there's so much patience behind this craftsmanship and forging and the blacksmithing. It doesn't feel like it's a huge mass production, which just makes it that much more valuable. It feels personal, like they're doing it for more than just creating these really cool knives. And that's really where I think it separates like the quality versus quantity thing, where there's passion behind what they're doing and it's tradition. I'm sure all these guys have gone down generation, so they've been doing this for a very long time, and it's run in the family.
研いで、磨いてきれいにさせる作業が僕らの仕事で、その後に絵付けやったり目切りっていう他の職人さんの仕事があります。
What is that thing? Definitely definitely sharpening the knife. That's so cool. And there's water on this too, which I'm assuming the water is to be cooling it down as he's grinding this and sharpening it. And to me, I'm not sure what this liquid is, this green liquid is, but is this the same liquid that's in here? I don't even know what that is. Maybe they'll explain it. Just so much care behind those things. So much care. Oh my god.
はい。
I mean, is it normal he's not wearing gloves or protective gear? It seems like he's just got like regular clothes and like an apron. I feel like isn't that like super dangerous to do? They must be like just super confident about it, about their skill set.
両方から研いでも若干こっち側にこう曲がったりとかこう曲がったりとかあるんですよ。だから研いだ後に何回か。ここのが今やっぱ向こうの砥石だと粗いんで、それをこの目をきれいに整える的な。
Okay, so he's gonna grind it down some more. Yep. That's so cool. That must be so satisfying. He's got gloves on now and a mask.
元中学校ぐらいの時に料理が趣味で、その時に料理からちょっと研ぎやったりとか魚おろしたりとかっていうのがきっかけでちょっとずつ包丁去ってって、で高校卒業する時にうちの会社の YouTube 見て、それで一回チャレンジしてみたいなみたいな。今で4年目ですね。やってる時はみたいな、難しいみたいな思ってる時もあるんですけど、やっぱ最後上がった時に自分で上げた包丁を見た時の達成感やったりとかっていうのを見るとやっぱり
And they're sandblasting
頑張る
it.
ぞってなりますね。
Yeah, he's sandblasting that. I know that. I know what a sandblaster is. Now it's starting to look like something you can actually hold. More sharpening. Oh my god. How sharp are these knives? Another thing too is like these things are so sharp, I'm sure, but what are they used for? Are these are cooking knives? I mean, that's what I'm getting from what he had just said. And if they are a cooking knife, what kind of cooking do you use this for? Like what do you cut with it? Let me know down in the comments below what you use this knife for exactly. He's doing it by hand too. Super impressive. It's amazing how much time and care and honestly love they put into this. Okay, so he walks across the street to another place. That's convenient. So these all are in walking distance from each other. They have to be.
僕の場合は、これと、あとはもう見てもらう見切り。前から包丁好きだったんですよ。美容師から始まったんですけど、辞めて工場に行って、でそこから姉がここの会社のテレビで映ってたんで、それでちょっと興味を持って応募したって形ですね。やっぱりその見切りに関してはやっぱりできることが楽しいですね。ちょっとずつできていってるのが地になっていってる形が好きで、絵付けに関してはまあ綺麗に過ぎれたらやっぱり楽しいですし。
Okay, so they've heated it up. Yeah, they're heating up the handle part. I think it's called the tang. Heat it up and they kind of just force it in place. Wow. Those look amazing. I keep lifting my head up like I'm actually there and I want to see. Now the engraving's done. They do this manually. That's crazy. Crazy, crazy. These have to retail for so much money. I'm sure not every household has one of these knives in Japan. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, the packaging is done here too. I'm not too sure, but it looks like there's instructions behind it, maybe how to clean it, how to use it, stuff like that, how to maintain it.
別の鍛冶屋さんと同じ刃付け屋さん、あるいは、同じ鍛冶屋さんでも別の刃付け屋さん、全部包丁の味が違ってくるんです。食べ物でもそうだと思うんだけれど、同じラーメンのですね。
Unlike most things we know in the Western world, where everything is like not only mass produced, but it's got to be like very consistent. Like the next person who buys it is expecting the exact same thing. They're actually taking pride in it being not the same and relating it to food, which is very cool. And it actually makes sense.
まあ素材でもですね、調味料どれほど入れるか、どれほど煮炊きするかによって変わってくるようにですね、包丁もそうなんですよ。まあそういう意味では包丁も生きているというようなことは言えますかね。
Yeah, I agree. If you guys know more about these knives, let me know down in the comments below. Do they use these in restaurants? Are you able to purchase them like for home use? Are they expensive? Have you ever used one? The blades themselves are so cool. I'm not even too sure what these blades are called. Obviously they're taken care of really well with these knives and how they're produced and the meaning behind them, the pride and ownership they take over making them. Very different than the Western world, I will say, but it adds so much more personality to their products, to their knives. If there's any other Japanese traditions or crafts or masteries that you guys want me to react to, let me know down in the comments below. If there's something that's like I'm completely missing. I know very little about Japan and like their traditions besides like what we know here in the US, so definitely leave a comment down below and let me know what you think or what I should react to. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next reaction video. Bye.